And the Oscar goes to 윤여정은.
Mr. Brad Pitt, finally. Nice to meet you. Where were you while we were filming in Tulsa? It's very honored to meet you. As you know, I'm from Korea, and actually my name is Yojong, and most of European people call me Yoyoung, and some of them call me Yujong. But tonight, you are all forgiven. Thank you for the tremendous thanks to the Academy members who vote for me. Thank you for the wonderful Minari family. Stephen, Isaac, Yeri, and Noel, Allen. We became a family. And most of all, above all, Lee Isaac Chung. Without him, I couldn't be here tonight. I don't believe in competition. How can I win Glenn Close, win over Glenn Close? I've been watching her so many performances. So this is just all the nominees, 5 nominees. We are the winner for the different movie, different role. We play the different role. So we cannot compete each other. Tonight I'm here is just, I have just a little bit luck, I think. Maybe I'm luckier than you. I'd like to thank to my 2 boys who made me go out and work. So, beloved son, all and all, this is the result because mommy worked so hard. And I'd like to dedicate this award for my first director, Kim Gi-young, who was very genius director. I made a movie together with him, first movie. I think he would be very happy if he's still alive. Thank you very much. Tremendous thank you for everybody. Thank you. Am I saying right? I'm not.